Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Traverse camping cooking set. Looks like it comes in this black little pouch. Let me open this up. And the first one is a lid here. Okay, and the bottom one is a pan. Looks like it's got the lid and a teapot. So it's nicely put into each other, and this is the lid for the teapot. It's got the plastic holder, the orange plastic holder, so you can grip onto it. Not sure whether that's going to get too hot or not. Yeah, probably will need to test it, make sure that you don't burn yourself. So if you're planning to boil some water for your tea or your coffee, you can use this teapot. And this is a pot here. Pretty decent size, and it's got the holder here. You extend the holder. It's got the plastic so you won't burn yourself. Pretty decent size. And that's the lid. So looks like you can use the lid for the pot and the pan. So this is the pan. It's got the holder here as well. So I'll need to check to see how it will be when it's on a little gas stove. Okay, it's pretty easy to use. How long it will last? Not sure. It looks very durable. Hopefully it's easy to wash as well. And you can easily carry this in your camping bag. So the teapot fits into the pot, and then the lid just goes on top, and then you just put that lid for the pot on top, and you just put it back in the pouch. Very easy, it's quite light, and I'll see how I can use it for camping and whether it's got any issues. I'll see you guys next time.